Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria Montefusco and I'm a lover of all things when it comes to makeup, fragrance, and beauty. And today, as you may be able to tell, my eyes are done, but none of my other face is done, and that is because I'm going to be giving like a fourth impressions slash like mini review of the Nimya skincare products. So these are skincare products that were created by Nikkie Tutorials, who is a wonderful YouTuber here on the platform. I've been watching her since probably like, I don't know, 6-7 years ago. It's been a really long time. And I've always loved her makeup, and I've always thought she's just absolutely stunning and beautiful. And I've seen pretty good reviews of these products on YouTube. So during the month of April, they had a deal where you could buy their bundle with the complete set of products and basically get free shipping. So I decided to do that. So I have all the products, which are the under eye stick, the serum, the cream, like moisturizer, and the setting spray, and also like the little fan. So I'm going to talk through those products as I apply them on my face, tell you my reviews, tell you how makeup lays on top of them, all of that, because this is like the 4th or 5th day that I've been using this set. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts, please keep on watching. So first, before I put on any of my face makeup prep, anything, I go into this cooling eye stick. I love the name of this. And basically this, you can keep this in your beauty fridge, which I do, and you're just supposed to put it under your eyes. It's supposed to like depuff, brighten, whatever. I don't really think it does anything other than feel nice, but then again, I haven't been using it for that long. And I also don't really have puffy under eyes. I have dark under eye circles, but they're not puffy. But it does feel nice, and I'm sure it's providing some moisture to my under eyes, which I kind of do need because your girl has dry skin. So yeah. So after that, I always go in next with the License to Glow serum, which basically is kind of like a glowy serum that, yeah, just gives you like some moisture, gives you a nice glowy base. I put this on before the moisturizer. It can also be used like a face primer, and I find it to be pretty nice. So it comes in like this little dropper. It's bright blue, which I find to be kind of funny. And so I just take it and I put some drops all over my face, and then I just wipe it in. And you'll see how much of a glow my face will have like before versus afterwards. It's actually quite a big difference. So there is the serum. In total, I probably use about 8 drops for my whole face. And it leaves your face a little bit sticky, but not too tacky, nothing uncomfortable. I feel a little bit moisturized, and as you can see, my face does have a really nice glow to it. I don't find that this has a scent at all. Obviously the blue goes away. You don't see a blue tint in my face. So overall, I like this product. I don't think it's necessary. I don't love it, but I think it's fine. This next product is probably my favorite out of all of them, and this is the Nimya Where It All Starts cream, which is basically, it can be used as a primer. It also, moisturizes, and it also provides some more luminosity. So this is definitely a collection for people that like a glowier base to begin with. But this cream smells amazing. So if you don't like scent in your skincare, definitely do not go for the cream or for the setting spray. But this just smells like vanilla, and I want this in a fragrance. Like, it smells so good. So I just take some of it, so you can see some of it's like stuck to the cap, and you don't need a lot. So I just take little dabs of this, dab it all over my face, and then again, just rub it in. That's all I do. And it's a very like soft and light whipped texture. It's not too heavy at all. It's very much whipped. Again, it smells really good. And I smell it on my skin like actually a lot of the day, which I found to be kind of funny. I'm just gonna put some on my neck. Boom. And then let's rub it in. But it smells awesome. I know scent and skincare can be a big no-no. I don't really have sensitive skin at all, so I haven't been reacting to this in any kind of negative way. And like I said, also my skin is dry. Also, I love a dewy base. So like all of this is pretty much up my alley, which is why I wanted to give the line a try. So that's that. Again, I feel like it is a pretty tacky base, but my makeup does lay well on top of it, which you will see. And yeah, overall, that's what it looks like before the setting spray, before my face makeup, all of that. So I've used a variety of different foundations with this. I've used the one I'm going to use today, which is the Tower 28, which is the Sunny Days tinted sunscreen. So this is pretty light coverage. I've used medium coverage, which is Charlotte Tilbury. I've used medium to, heavy coverage, which is the Pat McGrath foundation. So I've used quite a few foundations. They've all laid well. I haven't had issues with any of them, which is good. No patchiness, no weirdness, no accentuating texture, nothing like that. So today, just because I'm going to be going to a bonfire this evening, I want something a little bit lighter. And because none of my primers have SPF in them, I'm going to be putting something with a little bit of SPF. So I'm going to a bonfire, so yeah. If I had one complaint about the Nimya products, just from like someone who knows nothing about skincare perspective, which is me, I wish one of them had sunscreen in it. That would make it a little bit easier, like instead of having to think about applying a actual sunscreen or applying some sort of other face product that has a sunscreen. Like I know the amount of product that you would apply to your face, it doesn't give you that full SPF coverage, but at least it would give you a little bit of something. So maybe if the cream had SPF or the serum had SPF, or she came out with her own SPF, I think that would be nice. But ideally it'd be integrated into one of those other products. But that's just me, as someone who prefers less steps in a skincare routine. That's something I would like to see. But I understand that not everybody's going to share the same opinions that I do, and that's okay. Yeah, also something I wanted to add here is I am not a skincare expert. I really know nothing about skincare, and I have very easy to take care of skin. So, if you have skin that's more problematic or skin that's more sensitive, this may not be the review for you. But if you have skin that's a bit on the drier side, not sensitive, relatively easy to take care of, don't get a lot of breakouts, then you probably have skin similar to me and you might want to hear my thoughts on this, So that is what the foundation looks like. I think it lays well, provides a glowy base, nothing to complain about. So I'm going to conceal, bronze, whatever. I might keep chatting, and you'll see how all of the face products layer on top. Gonna go with my Pat McGrath concealer in the shade L2. And like always, everything I'm using on my face is in the description box. Just gonna conceal the normal spots. And again, I find the concealer lays pretty much the same way as I'm used to when I use my normal primer, which is the Super Goop Glow Screen. The Glow Screen does not give you a sticky base. It gives you a glowy base, but it doesn't give you a sticky base. This is definitely a bit of a stickier base, which probably makes my makeup last longer on my skin, to be honest. But it's not something I'm used to, but it's something I don't mind. Gonna go into my Tower 28 cream bronzer that I've really hit pan on. I love cream bronzer. I'm just gonna take my Refer angled brush, and we're just going to put it around the hairline. Again, I don't find that using a brush, any of my brushes, so these are natural hair brushes. I use synthetic brushes for my face sometimes. Or using a sponge lifts up any of the makeup, no matter what foundation I'm using layered on top of the Nimya products. So that is a good thing. Now I'm going to do my under eyes as normal, Chanel color corrector, and Glossier stretch concealer. And again, I don't see really any difference in how these products layer under my eyes versus my normal routine for priming and face products. So now I'm just brushing my bake away from underneath my eyes. And now we're going to go into some other cheek products. So I'm going to take this Danessa Myricks blush palette, and I'm going to take this darkest shade, which is called Tease. And I'm just going to use my fingers to apply this on my cheeks and use my my sponge, to blend it out. So do not dig your sponge directly into here or else you get this kind of mess, as you can see in that lightest shade. So don't do that. So again, just dab and blend. I love these Danessa Myricks cream blushes. They're really beautiful. They last all day on my skin, which my skin can really eat up blush. So that is pretty rare that these last so long. It doesn't matter if it's cream blush or powder blush. My skin just eats up blush. But not these, somehow. Not these. And again, it layers really well on top of the products. It's a little bit to blend, but that's just what I find with these blushes. But they last all day. I don't see any patchiness. Like all of my normal products layer pretty well over the Nimya products, as you're seeing in real time. So I guess I'm going for quite the blushed look today. But I'm going to take some liquid highlighter. This is a discontinued highlighter from Glossier's Play line that they no longer have. And I'm just going to put it on the cheekbones and blend. Beautiful. I'm going to finish up my eyes real quick. Put on some face powder, lip stuff, and then we'll see the setting spray in real time as well as the little fan that it came with, which I think is pretty cute. All right, I'm going to apply some of my normal face powder just on the parts of my face without the cream blush and the highlighter, all that kind of stuff. And then the other product from Nimya, which is the setting spray. So this setting spray, I feel like also has that same like vanilla scent that's in the cream, which I feel like smells delicious. I'm not a super big fan of this mister, as you'll see. I feel like it's a little abrupt, but at least we have this fan that can help dry that. I think this is pretty cute. And this came with the bundle that I got. So you'll see this in real time, how much of a intense mist this can be. Maybe it's my bottle, maybe it's all of them, I'm not sure, but this isn't my favorite mist. Phew. Yeah, it's a lot. There's a lot of droplets. And then I just use this fan to dry it off. And I feel like what I smell throughout the day is probably the cream and this, like combining together those vanilla scents that just make it a nice scent on your face throughout the day. I kind of like that actually. So I'm gonna take down my hair and fix that up, put on my earrings, put on my lip gloss, all that stuff. We'll see the final look. So this is the completed makeup look. I think it turned out well, and yet again, I feel like the Nimya products do provide a good base for my makeup to stick, for my makeup to last all day, for it to have that glowy, dewy, natural finish that I enjoy. So overall, I do enjoy the products. Out of all of the products, if I had to put them in order from favorite to, or from least favorite to favorite, I would say my least favorite's the Cooling Eye Stick, because I don't really feel like it does anything. It might provide a little bit of moisture. I like how cooling and nice it feels, but other than that, I don't really have a lot of puffiness under my eyes, so I don't really see a difference there, and I know that's like what its main purpose is. My second least favorite product is probably the Serum. It's fine. I don't think it's anything like super special. I like the glowiness it provides, but I'm not really a fan of like these drop applicators because they can be a little bit messy. So yeah, this one's fine. I don't love it. Then I would say the setting spray. It does a really great job of locking in my makeup all day. I love the smell. I just hate the sprayer. The droplets are way too intense. I wish it had a finer mist. And then my favorite is the cream, just because I feel like it provides a lot of moisture. I love the scent. I love the whipped texture of it. It's not too heavy, but it's very moisturizing, and it provides a really nice base for my makeup to stick. So I do like this product the best. Out of all of them, the ones I'd consider repurchasing are the cream and the setting spray. I don't think I'd repurchase the Cooling Eye Stick or the Serum, but of course, this is only like my 4th or 5th time using these. products. So the more I use them, the more I'll have thoughts on them. And if my thoughts change, of course, I'll keep you all updated. So that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you like this video, please like this video. It helps out with YouTube algorithm, and it also helps me know what kinds of content that you like to see on my channel. If you like me, please subscribe. I'd love to have you all here. I post 2 to 3 times per week, depending on my schedule. And if you have anything to comment down below, if you've tried Nimya and you have any thoughts, let me know. If you're like a skincare expert and you have thoughts on it, let me know. If you have any questions about any of these products, anything further that I can clarify for you, of course, let me know. I love chatting with you all, and I definitely want to be helpful and answer your questions and be a resource for you all. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.